Louisiana Senior Medicare Patrol is a federal program funded in part by the Administration on Aging. It is sponsored in Louisiana by EQ Health Solutions, and our primary mission is to empower seniors to prevent Medicare fraud. We provide them with education so that they can learn to protect their Medicare card, to detect possible fraud, waste, errors, or abuse on their Medicare summary notices, and then to report anything suspicious that they see to us at Louisiana Senior Medicare Patrol.
I think that education is the key, and the more people, beneficiaries and their caregivers, that know that this is a problem and know that they can do something about it, the better off we all are. Because if they don't know that the problem exists, then they can't do anything to help with it. I have an opportunity to go out into the community and give education sessions as well. And it's very rewarding because I actually get to see both sides. I'm talking to these people and I'm telling them to call me, and I'll be the one that help you. And they actually do call. Some of them, they'll go right back and they'll start looking at their bills, start looking at their summary notices, and they'll find something. And it may not be anything at all. But the fact for me is that they are looking at it, that they're actually thinking that there could be something wrong. Let me start taking a look at it.
The federal government estimates that we're losing about $60 billion a year to fraud, waste, and abuse. That's $60 billion coming out of the Medicare Trust Fund, going into the pockets of crooks, con artists, scam men, and not being used to pay for health care for our seniors. The biggest thing is to protect your Medicare card by not giving that number out to anyone that you are not completely sure is associated with a legitimate health care provider. We tell people, don't give your Medicare card number out over the phone. Don't even give it if you're at a health fair, if you're at any kind of a senior event. If somebody's there collecting Medicare numbers, that's just wrong. That is just wrong. And some of our seniors are unaware of the fact that your Medicare number is your Social Security number. So while most people are aware how important it is to protect that, not everybody has connected the fact that the Medicare number includes your Social Security number. So you're really just opening up a door to all sorts of problems if you give that number to someone that you don't know.
When a Medicare beneficiary calls me, mainly someone that feels that they've been a victim of a scam, I first try to make them understand that it is not their fault, that they did not make a mistake, that these scam artists, these people that are calling them, they're professional, that they are good at what they do, and that anybody can fall victim to their scams because they just are that good at it. So I tried to make sure that they realize that they're not stupid or they're not losing it. It's just that these people are very clever, and it takes just that one slip up and they've gotten away with their Medicare number or their Social Security number.
It's a three-step plan that any Medicare beneficiary can take to help us stop that flow of $60 billion that we're losing every year. Protect your Medicare card number by not giving it out to people on the phone, people you see on the street, people at a health fair, at hospitals, clinics, pharmacies. That's where you can give out your Medicare number. Then, even if you haven't given it out to anyone that you think maybe shouldn't have had it, everybody needs to still check their Medicare summary notices. They come out every 90 days, and you need to take some time to look at it to see if there's anything on there that sticks out as being wrong. Dates that just don't make any sense. And then finally, if you see any peculiarities, give us a call at Louisiana Senior Medicare Patrol.
There are two different types of calls that we receive in our office, and some of them are outright scams where we can clearly identify that there is a problem. And then there are some from providers that may just have a mistake, a billing error, and we handle both of those. When you call our toll-free number, 1-877-272-8720, you actually speak to a live person. You don't have to press 1,000 buttons to get somebody on the phone. You don't have to talk to an automated machine. You actually get someone that answers your call right away. If it's nothing, then great, no problem. But if it is something, if it's a mistake, we want to get it corrected. If it's a billing error, a hospital, clinic, billed twice for the same service or billed for service that the beneficiary did not receive, then we just want to have it corrected. We want that money put back into the Medicare Trust Fund.
We have a website at www.stopmedicarefraudla.org.